Hey guys, it's Miss Stokes. I'm here today to give you guys a reading lesson. And today we are going to talk about finding the main idea and supporting details of a book or a story. Now, the main idea is figuring out, what is this whole book talking about? What is this whole story about? Details are the things behind that main idea that help support the main idea. Okay, and we're going to talk about it, all right? We are going to read a book called Butterflies, and they're going to give us some information. But while reading or while listening, we need to figure out, what is this whole book talking about? And what are some things in the book that they talk about that support the main idea? All right, so let's get started.
Butterflies by Grace Hanson. Butterflies are insects. Beetles, dragonflies, and ants are all insects too. All butterflies were once caterpillars. A caterpillar forms a chrysalis. It is like a shell. A lot of changes happen inside. Now it is an adult butterfly. Butterflies live in many places. You will often find them near flowers and plants. Butterflies come in all sizes and colors. Some butterflies have beautiful patterns on their wings. Butterflies have three main body parts. They are the head, thorax, and the abdomen. Butterflies have 2 large eyes and 2 antennae. They have 6 legs and 4 wings. Butterflies drink nectar and plant juices. A butterfly moves pollen from flower to flower. This helps plants to grow.
All right, and that is the end of the story. So now I want you guys to think for a minute. What was the whole book about? If you said butterflies, you're right. The whole story was about butterflies and how butterflies are insects. So we're actually going to put this on an anchor chart that I made for you guys. And as you can see, I compared the main idea and details of a story to an ice cream cone. So at the bottom, the cone, that is your main idea. That is the base. That is what the whole story is about. And then your 3 ice cream scoops are your supporting details, the things that are in the book that talk about the main idea. So as I stated before, the main idea of this story were butterflies are insects. That is the main idea. That is what this whole entire book was talking about. Now we need to figure out, what were some other details? What were some details in the book that talked about butterflies? I know the whole book was about butterflies, but what are some things they told us about butterflies? Here's an idea. Butterflies come in so many different beautiful colors. They definitely said that in the story, and that is a detail about butterflies. Our main idea is all about butterflies, and that is just a detail. Butterflies come in different colors. Another detail about butterflies, they begin life as a caterpillar. That was one of the first things they talked about in the book. That is a detail of butterflies, going back to the main idea. And another detail is that butterflies drink nectar and they move pollen from flower to flower. Those are some things that they talked about in the story about butterflies. So down here at the bottom, we have our main idea, butterflies. And here are 3 details that tell us more about butterflies. They come in different colors, they start life as a caterpillar, and they also move pollen from flower to flower and drink nectar. Now, those weren't the only details in that story. They also told us that Butterflies have different patterns on their wings. They told us about the 3 body parts of the butterfly. There were a lot of details in that book about butterflies, but I only chose 3, and that's fine. All right? So later on this week, you guys will have a chance to find the main idea and details of a story that you have read. I hope this helps you guys, and if you need anything, please reach out and ask me questions. See you later.